Okay, so I'm trying to invent this little bread. I'm gonna make cheese and yogurt bread. Right now I have 2 teaspoons of self-rising yeast here with water. I don't measure anything. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm gonna let this rise and then I will add my other ingredients when it doubles in size. Okay, so it has risen twice in size. This is an experiment, like I said. I have here roughly about a quarter of yogurt and Parmesan cheese and half a cup of Havarti cheese. I added some parsley flakes. I also added some rosemary. I also wanted to mention that I added some minced onion. I didn't have any powdered garlic, or else I would have added some of that as well. And I added a bit more of rosemary. I hope this turns out, because this is just, like I said, an experiment. I'm going to let this double in size, and then I'm going to, once it does that, then we're going to shape them and bake them. Okay, so the moment of truth has arrived. I finished baking them. They smell amazing. I have no idea how this is going to taste, but I'm going to have a little bite just to demonstrate, just to show you and see. Look at how nice, and it is hot. It's very hot. This is so delicious. I would have never ever dreamed. Oh my God, this is really, really good. With pasta, I'm going to go ahead and plate my bread with my meat on top. This is how I'm choosing to use my little buns. This thing looks incredible. It's so delicious. I'm so glad that I taped it so that I can do it another day, because it is really amazing. Thank you for watching, guys.